Hello, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. A little noisy today. Got gardeners, got people running in and out. So I'm taking a little time to say hello. Hi, Dino. This is Dino. Hi, kids. So if you like and subscribe to my channel, it'll help out. Now, for the month of March, we're doing rice. Well, we're not doing rice. We did that in January. What did I write down? Legumes. Oh, yeah, right. Well, I'll put that in the scribble. Now, this is what happens when you get old and blind. Okay, most people have some kind of bean storage. All right, here's one of the dangers of having too many beans. So, right, you have pinto beans or black beans. All right, easy, portable, last a long time. But there's a big problem. That's gas. You don't want to be end of the world and you're the people who are farting up the neighborhood. So, okay, you got your selection of beans. Next step is selection of peas. That's green pea, yellow pea, chickpea, all sorts of peas. And then lentils. Okay? Any Mediterranean or Arabic diet or Indian diet, we have lots of lentils. So those are the three big things for the month of March is beans, peas, and lentils. I better write that down so I don't forget. I forget sometimes. Okay? Now, this is going to be a short video, real short. So, anyway, let me do some shout outs. And you put those in a 5-gallon bucket peas, beans, and lentils. Prep for it. Corsair Trainers. Please check out his channel. Really good. Walter Davis, Strong Adventures. Angry Cadet, Small Southern Housewife. DIY Solar Homestead. Okay, now the reason why we're doing three of them: lentils, split peas, and black beans. Reason why is you want a variety. You don't want to be farting up the shelter or bug out location. You know what kills more families is all we ate was beans and beans, and we farted to death. Okay, and my little gamer friend, Bethany Myers, Hubble's cat, probably be farting a lot. Random Lady 1989, Deep Things Outdoor with Johnny. Hey, Johnny. Um, Inspired John. Yeah, you can tell his place is going to be Fart Mania. Savage Survival. Killdeer Survival. Revolting Man. Yeah, I know you had infestation of that beetle. Your area, you have to go with more for peas and lentils. You're in a weird part of the South. Okay, Kentucky Survival, Jeff Noty, and Just in Time Prepping with Bill tonight on Friday at I think 8 o'clock Mountain Time. So anyway, I'm keeping this really short because I got another video I'm going to do after this. I'll catch you later. Bye, kids. This is Dino.